Hello students, hope you are safe at home. Let's start our lesson. Class 1, subject English, and the topic is use of she. She is used for a girl. She is used for a woman. Open your books and the page number 6. She is a girl. She is Sarah Khan. She is a woman. She is Mrs. Aziz. She is Miss Naz. She is a teacher. Teacher means a person who teaches. These are the important points. The first one, she is a girl. She is Sarah Khan. Sarah Khan is a name. And the third one, she is a woman. Fourth, she is Mrs. Aziz. And the fifth one, she is Miss Naz. And the sixth point, she is a teacher. This is your first activity. Fill in the blanks. First one, Sarah Khan is a girl. Sarah Khan is a girl. 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 Sarah Khan is a girl. And the second one, Mrs. Aziz. Mrs. Aziz. Mrs. Aziz is a woman. And the third one, Miss Naz is a teacher. Miss Naz is a teacher. 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 Miss Naz is a teacher. The fourth one, he is a bus driver. He is a bus driver. 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 He is a bus driver. The fifth one, Jamil is a boy. Jamil is a boy. B-O-Y, boy. This is your second activity. Learn the spellings of the following words and make sentences. Girl, Miss Naz, teacher, woman, boy. Okay students, hope you enjoy this lesson. Take care. God bless you.